Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a much needed cleaning hack.
In order to keep dust away for longer, let's make a super potion. Mix together half tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, half cup of water, a few drops of dish soap, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, then pour it into a spray bottle and spray it on a microfiber cloth. The dust will have no chance. I will show you here the lamp I have in my living room is full of dust and cat hair. This super potion not only removes the dust in no time, but it also keeps it away for longer. Plus, it shines the surfaces. What a gem! You can clearly see here what a wonderful shine it gives to the lamp. You can use it on endless surfaces. I show you here on a stool, bench, and even my front door. This super potion is suitable for wood, plastic, leather, metal, really an endless range of materials. Olive oil is hydrophobic, meaning it repels water and similar particles, including many types of dust. When you apply this potion containing olive oil to a surface, it fills in tiny grooves and pores, makes the surface smoother and less likely to trap dust and prevent static buildup. Look how dirty my front door is, full of dust, cat hair and who knows what. I will show you what a wonderful shine it will gain with only one wipe with this potion. Absolutely brilliant! Dry surfaces can develop static charges that attract dust particles. Oil reduces friction and can minimize static electricity and reduce the electrostatic attraction of dust. Olive oil forms a light coating that prevents dust from clinging directly to the surface, makes it easier to wipe away accumulated dust later, and also offers some protection against moisture and grime. Unlike synthetic dust repellents, olive oil is safe for most natural surfaces and free from harsh chemicals or fumes. This is why it's often used in DIY cleaners. I show you how great it works on wood too. This bench I have in my gazebo is really dirty. This cleaner will make it shine again. The vinegar into the potion helps repel or kill dust mites and allergens by making surfaces too acidic for them to thrive, by breaking down allergenic proteins in dust and mite waste, and by acting as a natural disinfectant. The smell fades quickly, and by adding the lemon essential oil enhance both scent and dust mite fighting power of the potion. Now let's talk about the dish soap. Adding dish soap makes your DIY dust repellent more effective at removing stuck on dust and grease, better at repelling dust by reducing static, and easier to mix and apply when oil is part of the recipe because it acts as an emulsifier. So it helps the oil mix more evenly with water and prevents separation so you get a more consistent spray or wipe. I love this super potion, so I double the recipe and make some to have it on hand. Thanks so much for watching. Now you've got a simple natural way to keep dust away and your home fresh without harsh chemicals. You just made your space cleaner, healthier and way easier to maintain. How awesome is that? If this helped out, give it a like, share it with a fellow clean freak, or follow for more smart home tips.